influenced by my professor. He taught chemistry very well.
Yeah, there where people go wrong. Chemistry and chemical are totally different.
See, that Yamuna is saying after learning 4 years of BTech. Even I was under the impression of joining BTech Chemical, chemistry and chemical go hand in hand.
Never. They are totally different.
See,
Chemistry and
experience
chemical
after
are
4 years, she is saying no, never, but before that she also has that impression that chemistry and chemical are same, but they are different.
See, after doing your course of 4 years BTech in one subject, what happens is you always feel that I did 4 years of my engineering here, so if I go to IT industry then all this experience will be wasted. No, it's never wasted, okay. See, all these 4 years you'll be given a chance to learn things and how you can prove yourself in anything. This is just the thing, okay. Next, when you go into IT, if like your interest may change, okay. If given an opportunity that you don't have any core job but you are only into IT, then you go there, see things how it is. If suppose you like it, it's one more good way, right? You have only one life and you can explore more things.
Okay, Gayatri, good. She had posted her question to both of us and we are running out of time. She got her answer, I suppose.
Did you get your answer?
And one more thing, ma'am. If I want to go to research side in chemical engineering, what kind of courses should I do? May I know?
Research is always about passion, and research you have to write GATE, CSR, NET exams, all these exams you have to give for research. You were talking about scientists and all that positions, right? You should have concepts first. That's true, concepts. It's unlike the other fields. For research, you need you should be very affluent in concepts. Conceptual learning is important. Learning, you should learn how to learn first of all.
She understood, Yamuna. Sorry,
Thank you so much. No, we are actually enjoying this, but sorry to close this session. Now a small game for all the alumni present here. Yes, within 30 seconds you have to give the closing remarks. You shouldn't cross the 30 seconds. Can you do it?
Yeah, I'll do that. Why did you switch off the lights?
It's like whatever you are understood, you have to present it.
It is mere attendance, ma'am, because they don't consider whether you have won it or not. It is only that you have attended it or not.
Yes, that so participation is also important, right? Whether everyone will be doing their courses. So if people are not ready to showcase their things, so it will be okay, what?
You have been doing a project for 1 month and you have to give a PPT on that. So whatever
she is talking about paper presentation
in other colleges.
Only paper
Maybe
presentation.
use it for the interview.
Yeah, interviews. How many papers you have presented? That's what.
So that shows your interest. That's it.
They see like you are doing a project and you are presenting it in a very short span of time. So you'll gain experience over it, right?
Maybe somebody is there, something like they can do it but they could not do it. So at the time of interview, how do they come to an idea?
It depends on skills, not only PPT. That is one of the criteria, but that is not the only criteria, right?
Madam, and how should we behave with the men at all?
Professional. Yeah.
What?
Don't call them sir or madam.
Sir or ma'am, you shouldn't call them sir or ma'am.
Because they are just a colleague, your colleague, maybe experienced. The first thing that most of the freshers will do, start calling them sir or ma'am. There you are putting them on a pedestal. You only are giving them high importance.
And here you should pardon government people because they expect sir and ma'am to become
Yeah.
sir.
State bank is not there because they are completely.
Like a brother and sister?
No. We have brothers and sisters.
I mean in general terms,
But you
like
have
you
to
call
give
them by
respect, that's
name,
it. You
but
have to
you
give respect,
treat
that's
them
it.
like a guide.
See, if you start giving them lenience, they will take advantage.
Yes. No,
Guys
you
are
don't need
guys
to worry
anywhere.
about all this.
We do
No,
have some men
I'm
here.
See the professional.
Sorry,
Yes, that is right.
No, see the good side as well, but as a lady you should be very protective of yourself.
You
Who
should
will
be
come? Your brother
defensive.
will come every time to protect you.
It is
Okay, you start saying your colleague, your brother, he'll say she's my girlfriend. What will you do?
I didn't mean that way.
No.
You
I'm
don't
not
mean
talking
it that
about
way,
you,
but-
but in general. So don't call anyone your brothers until and unless you have huge respect for them. Don't spoil that relationship, brother-sister relation. You have your own brother or cousin brother, be happy with them. At your workplace, no one will be your brothers, no one will be your sisters. You may find some few good people, take them as your mentors. Tormentors also will be there. Like people who will irritate a lot. They will torment you. Mentors also will be there. So you just need to decide.
See, the term here is mentor, okay? Not like you have so much respect towards them, like you have so much like work-wise and all, you are so much attached to. They'll be your mentor, okay? It's
So how do you just judge them by
Experience, ma'am. Once you come into the real world, you will automatically get your own experience.
Job, I'm sure she can give us.
Yeah, next time when we come, you will give your experience.
Just remember it's a very thin line, okay? So you have to be very careful. That's it.
just to add only one point. In IT field, you'll be having 3 months training, right? You don't need to worry about all these skills, okay? We have a B skills session there, wherein you'll be getting like all. The first point which she told, sir and madam, you should not call. That is the first point which they say. They'll train you in all the aspects, okay? Technologies, B skills, everything. So don't get like tense now itself, how to behave there.
So right now, you're not getting the job.
At 1.5.
So let's quickly have the closing remarks session starting with
Okay, I'm really very honored to be here. Like people call me, like all of my in my busy schedule, I just call a call from one of my faculty in ECE, and he called me. He asked me like, I'm surprised that someone is calling me after 3 years all of a sudden, and I'm called. So like now my project is like it's in a very critical stage. So I'm working from morning 10 to evening night 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock also. Of course I do take breaks. And don't worry that it will always be like this. I used to go to office at 11 o'clock and come back at 5 o'clock. It's just a variation of the phase. But then when I said my manager that, see, my college has arranged this Abhyudaya program for women and they invited me. So it's like immediately my manager approved the leave. And I'm very happy to be here, and I wish you all the success.
Good
I feel very privileged that I'm here today, and what I suggest you is whatever the college is giving, please extract it. You needn't extract it also, they're giving it to your doorstep. Please take that. There is a difference between other institutions and our institution. In other institutions, when you're out of it, when you need help, they'll give you help. They'll obviously help you. But here, once you're a part of this family, they take the complete responsibility of you till the end, wherever you are, whether you're in college or out of college or wherever, at any stage of your life. They feel so much responsible for you, and they deserve a big round of applause, please. There are select group of dedicated faculty. Seriously, we owe a lot to them.
Though you have taken 40 seconds, but
So further we can give an extra 10.
Just a message to all here. Overall conclusion of what we have today's session. You be strong, be confident, never give up. Always maintain the hard work which you are doing, especially people who are planning to go to this core field and mechanical. This is the right time and right platform. You crack gate, everything, give your best, okay? And I'm very happy being part of this along with my seniors. I don't even know them, but like it's very great to sit with 15 years, 10 years experience seniors. It's very nice. Like I can't even explain that in words. Very happy. Okay, thank you.
I'm very happy today. I met everyone, and just I have previously I stayed there only. I sat there only. Now I sat here and just I shared everything, my experience. Whenever you need help, just you contact me and our lecturers. Then you can get whenever you need information, then you can come through with lecturers. Thank you.
First of all, I just wanted to thank you all because of all of you, I am here after 10 years of my college life, and it's really an amazing experience sitting over here and sharing the experiences, and hope it helps you a lot.
Take much time. All the best to all the juniors. Don't worry. Just give your best and be yourself. Be confident. That's it. And I'm very happy to be here. I'm the least experienced girl, I suppose. All the best. That's it.
10 more seconds.
I don't want to even.
Okay. Okay.
That's bonus time to you.
Oh, I need more than that. Sorry, I'll not disturb much since it's lunchtime for all of us. I hope this event, which they have organized with lots of time, effort and other things, if a small percentage of it also helped you, we will be very happy sitting over here. It's not that we had fun, but we did share our real life experiences, making you industry ready or whatever. At any point of time you have any queries, our mail IDs are there with the MA President, Alumni Association President. You can find out and do bug us at any point of time. It's a privilege to be back in college, as most of them say 15 years, 16 years experience. After college, don't expect my age. I'll not say that at this moment. Yeah. So that's it from my end, and I'm giving the mic. I enjoyed a lot. I hope you people also did the same and grasped some inputs from.
Just wanted to add one line. I mean, it's a pleasure to give something back to the college as well. Okay, it's something like we have been in college, and now when we were sitting with the principal, then it's something like his expectations out of us, like what some help or in terms of like support they're expecting from this alumni and all is like. When we think of in those lines also something we are giving back to the college or to our students and all, that is actually a great pleasure.
Great feeling, guys.
Yeah, it's a great feeling. That's it.
Thank you so much, alumni. Now I pass on the stage to Swati. We'll have a quick prize distribution, nothing much.
Now it's time for prize distribution. For electrocution, first prize goes to Santoshi, third year mechanical student. And second prize for Miss Kavya, mechanical second year student. Okay, for essay writing, first prize Manisha, second year student of ECE. And for essay writing, second prize for Bharati, mechanical second year student. Now I would like to invite Praveen sir, Training and Placement Officer for OTA.
5 more minutes please. This is very, very important. Now this happened actually the route for this particular program a couple of months back when Women Empowerment Cell arranged a session with Bhavana is there. A session with just relieved alumni to discuss about career opportunities. And what I have seen is girls speak more when all are girls. I felt very surprising. What happened to these girls when they are mixed with boys? Then I had a few discussions with Swati Patnaik ma'am, Rajlakshmi ma'am, and Total Women Empowerment Cell. So we want to do something in this line. And then comes our alumni cell as well as training and placement. Collaboratively, all these 3 departments, we want to do some big activity. So this is the root cause of this particular event, and we want to call the alumni in this busy schedule. We want to fix the date. So what will be the better date? We thought of doing this on 15th actually. So in memory of Dr. Abdul Kalam. But after discussing with the alumni, we felt the 16th will be a little bit comfortable date. Anyhow, he's a very great person. Whatever date it is, on behalf of in his name actually we are doing this event. And Navaratri days. What else you'll get a very good thing for an alumni event, women alumni event. Then I started contacting different alumni. Actually, I don't know how I escaped from Sandhya Garu. She is my senior. I am 35 years old. She is 1 year senior too. I escaped from her during the ragging session. She is having right to rag everyone in this room, including me.
I was into anti-ragging square.
Ah, that's all. And I think every one of us know who will be kept in anti-ragging square. And really, it's very, very thank you from bottom of my heart.
Why? Because, and she is having a kid. I know how tough her schedule is, but on our request,
she came here, and it's our privilege to welcome you.
Thank you, Praveen. Actually, you have made me feel comfortable, obliging whatever obligations I had.
We are
So
there
I should
already.
be thanking you and Swati.
Thank you, thank you. And one thing is, actually, Satya Garu, along with the first batch chemical alumni, whenever I was speaking about chemical alumni, we had Santosh Garu, the alumni in charge from chemical. And actually, they are doing a very good program. They are collecting the fund and they are doing it for the cause of some poor students. And they are doing some beautiful activities, the first batch chemical alumni. So on behalf of the entire college, please give them a very big hand. Similarly, Lalita Garu, both came with the kids actually, Lalita Garu and Sandhya Garu. Thank you very much. And then comes Gayatri. She is from very long distance from Bangalore. Last minute we informed her, but definitely she responded. Thank you very much. Yamuna is the last one to be contacted. Thank you for your presence. Harita, topper. Topper. Thank you for your vibrant explanations and Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi, I used to quote Mahalakshmi so many times. And along with Mahalakshmi today we are having Mahalakshmi's husband. Sir, please give him a big hand. They came from Narsipatnam. I think they started today morning somewhere around 5:30 or 6 o'clock. Sir, thank you very much, sir. And this shows the support. Even though this is a women alumni meet, I know like the kind of support what they need from men. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mahalakshmi. And she is my counseling student also. So I know from what stage now she is into Siemens. So I'm very happy for that. And finally, Bhavana. Trains drive is going on. After this, just join there. I already informed them. And all the three committees, Women Empowerment Cell, Alumni and President.